What's up, YouTubers? Today I'm going to show you how to clean your battery terminals and how to prevent corrosion and rust from then on. So let's get right into this. So first thing you want to do is take off the terminal, loosen the bolt, the reason I use the vice grips to take that off is because these are convenient to use to take the terminal off. You know, they're channel locks grab just about anything. Now I have two tools here. I got this battery cleaner. You can use sandpaper, sand the terminal good, the inside of the cable, clean it all up good. You can use sandpaper for that, a wire brush. I bought this like 10 years ago, 15 years ago. It's kind of a cool old thing. This, I don't know if this is a battery cleaner or it might be a pipe cleaner for copper. You know, cleaning up copper to sweat the fittings together. But this works too if you have one. But this old tank is really cool. You can turn it inside here, clean up the inside of the terminal. The other end has this on it. Been very, very useful over the years. Once you have both terminals cleaned up, obviously the same process on the negative. I use grease, and a lot of people might not have this laying around, so you could use petroleum jelly in a pinch. Put the cable back on. Let's tighten it up. Mosquitoes. And once you get her tightened up, same process on the negative. Take it off, clean it up, put it back on. When you're all done, take some grease and put it around the top. It will stop it from corroding, rusting. Like I said, in a pinch, you can use petroleum jelly. It's something you might have laying around if you're not mechanically inclined or have a shop with a tube of grease. Grease is good. Petroleum jelly works too, though. So there you go. That's how you clean up your terminals and then prevent them from corroding, rusting, or whatever. I recommend doing it every year. But check them. If they look perfect, leave them alone. Bob's Lawn Service and Plowing. I'm out.